Strong demand here and in Indonesia and India lift Republic Chemicals' 2015 revenue to the 2 billion peso mark, a record in its 58-year history. The chairman of the maker of Mighty Bonds tells The Boss he had hired 60% more staff to account for the further pickup in business this year. Record profits for the maker of Mighty Bond and epoxy on higher demand in the Philippines as well as in Indonesia, India, and China. In an exclusive chat with The Boss, John Spakowski, Republic Chemical Industries Chairman and President, says the firm's revenues for the full year in 2015 hit over 2 billion pesos, a record in the company's 58-year history. Looking ahead, he says they are sticking to plans of keeping their dominant position here in the country and are hoping to increase their business in markets such as India and Indonesia.
Our focus is to continue to dominate the local market. We have a dominant position here, and that has given us the strength and the wherewithal to go overseas. And we've expanded our markets to include Southeast Asia. We now go as far as India.
Spakowski adds strong demand in other countries where they operate also help push earnings. In fact, he says they have already hired more employees in anticipation for bigger demand for their products.
Our Philippine workforce has jumped by a good 30% this year in anticipation of this high growth that we're looking for. We created about 60 new jobs this year. And this is all in build-up for our vision to double the size of our business over the next 2 years.
Interview with John Spakowski in our next episode of The Boss, every Wednesday only here on ANC.